So this is a Global Communication LoftBox, as it says on the front. It has 8 outputs. It can be used for the Sky, the old Sky system, where you could have Sky all around the house. There are 2 little clips on either side, as I'm doing there. 2 on either side, making 4 obviously, and then the whole lot can come apart as demonstrated. It's rusted because water got in there when it was in the loft. I'm not sure if you can buy these anymore. They are still quite useful. You can use it as a standard amplifier. This can be powered by mains, but it's normally a little power unit. I think it's 12 volts. So I'm putting the top back on. Now I'm going to clip it together, and that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you did get some value from this, then please share, like and subscribe.